Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Crunchyroll on PlayStation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your PlayStation console. Ensure you are connected to the internet. Navigate to the PlayStation Store from the home screen. Once in the PlayStation Store, use the search bar. Type in Crunchyroll and select the app from the list. Click on the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Highlight the Crunchyroll app to launch it. Once the app opens, you will see the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your details. After creating your account, you will be directed to the home page. Look for the subscription options available. Select the subscription plan that suits your needs. Review the pricing and features of each plan carefully. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Provide the required payment details like credit card or PayPal information. Confirm your payment and subscription details. Once your subscription is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now start enjoying Crunchyroll content on your PlayStation. Feel free to explore the app and discover new anime and shows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.